won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. So isn't it a lovely day to be caught in the raindrops keep falling on my head? But that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free.